Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to be taking some weird, some creative, some weird and wonderful portraits. And today I'm here with
Cat.
It's on school, you can just say Cat.
Okay.
I've brought two cameras. I brought my Canon EOS 5 with a 50mm f1.8, and I've also brought my Canon A1, of course, with the 35mm f2, and then I brought some Kodak ProImage 100, some Tmax. Basically, I'm gonna try something completely different, something I've been wanting to do for a while, and just take really abstract, really dark, moody sort of shapes.
I didn't know I had to be dark and moody.
No, but like,
I'm quite a happy person.
No, as in like, no, but the images that we have, they're quite moody. Come on, they are a bit moody. So yeah, that's what we're going for today. A little bit about your background. You're like a yoga instructor extraordinaire.
I don't know about that. I am a yoga teacher, but I also turned what I loved into my job and then took it a bit too far and ended up starting a yoga company, a yoga brand. And as someone who is creative and isn't very good at using a computer or using a spreadsheet and playing by the rules, I'm finding it really hard to find my creativity in a business world. So it's doing stuff like this. It's really exciting to sort of nourish that creative side that sometimes can get lost in the day-to-day.
Part of how we know each other is that so I do a bit of yoga here and there.
Look at this sitting. This is good. This is top notch. A lot of people can't sit across.
I know. That shocks me, to be honest. I actually purchased one of her mats, and then I hit her up, asked, hey, let's do something cool because I saw her stuff. So yeah, and it just so happens that Kat has been itching to get some creativity going.
With a lot of people though, you start doing something out of passion and creativity, and then to just like life starts to mold it and shape it and sort of take away that creativity, especially with a business. So I'm sure like a lot of people watching this will be photographers or freelancers or artists, and then it's just how do you grapple that creative side of who you are with making a living? How to afford to eat? I don't know. That little thing called rent.
How would you describe what we're going for today? What?
This like weird elbows and stuff. Like also just appreciating like the body. Like I think we're so used to seeing like really posed pictures that are all focused on the face, and I think the body is just this incredible thing, and just different elements of it, like a shoulder blade or an elbow, all those underappreciated areas like wrists and things. I just find it fascinating. I just find the body so interesting. So it's like we're weird out on the body right now.
No, for sure, 100%. That's like, and that's exactly why I thought Kat would be perfect for this, because we kind of had a similar vision for how we wanted these shots to turn out. And I've done like a lot of like portrait work, as in like just typical, just on the face. But then I've always been my eyes always been drawn towards images where it's just been cropped at like, you know, weird angles, just like maybe just half an elbow and half the chin and stuff like that.
It makes you look at the form in like a totally different way, because I think that we're so detached from our bodies. We're quite focused on the face.
We're going deep, guys. We're going deep.
I know. We're quite focused on the face, and then it all got a bit weird with like people face tuning and surgerying to look like their face tune, and I just think we've just neglected so much of just the body and what it is, and it's exciting. And I actually think that it's really liberating and freeing, because you can, when you take your face out of the equation, a lot of the time you take a lot of the fear, because I think people eye contact in a portrait, I really rate what you do, because that's the most difficult thing to do and to capture, because there's like no boundary. Whereas as soon as you take that away, I think there's so much liberation and freedom to just muck around.
No, for sure, 100%. Like, if you've never done it before, it's a weird situation, and you suddenly realize that you're alone in a room.
See their soul, and you see all the bad things they've done in their life, and you're like, wow.
So it's going to be like a nice challenge. It's trying to elicit emotion just from body movement and just from shapes. This is a new studio. I've never used this studio before. It's all continuous light. So I'm hoping you won't get too hot.
Oh no, you like being warm,
okay,
so don't worry.
I might get a bit. We've got a couple of outfits. How many outfits are we going for today? I mainly want to go for black and white. just because I think it suits more of what we're going for. But I've also brought colour just in case. I've had enough of shooting Kat, and as it turns out, Kat picked up her first film camera a few days. Well, how long ago?
Like 2 weeks ago. I haven't touched it since.
So yeah.
I watched you on YouTube, so it's okay.
So yeah. So I thought, you know what? I thought I'd throw her into the deep end, and we're gonna switch roles, and she's gonna take some pictures of me.
So you got to put your leg here.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I've already set the camera, so you don't need to worry about the settings.
All right.
But all you have to worry about is focusing. So quickly. So this is how you look through the viewfinder, and then with your other hand. So yeah, Kat, you're gonna have to direct me. It's all down to you. Okay, there's 2 shots. I trust you. Okay. Okay, so
shut off from behind, and can you sort of like make your back concave so you can get like the curvature of your spine?
Like that?
So like kind of like almost like a diary. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. More to the side.
Yep.
Yeah. Want to do something different?
You're a director. You're the photographer.
Can you knock your hands together behind your back like that?
Only one way.
They don't have to touch. Oh, they can touch.
Nice.
Yeah, that. I'm sorry, you have to see how they come out. I'm scared of letting you come out.
Yay! I'm out.
So I'm taking over Zane's channel. It's no longer the Zane's channel, it's my channel because I'm a good photographer.
Yeah, I'm out of business now. What do you guys think of the photos? If you had a favourite one, let us know down below. Yeah, how do you find that?
I just feel like it's making a professional photographer. No, I loved it. It's really interesting seeing it from the other side.
Yeah.
And yeah, no, I really enjoyed it. It was nice to do something creative. I felt like super stoked and comfortable, and it was just nice just to be able to feel like you could try all weird stuff. But yeah, I want to be behind. Next time you're in the leotard, not me.
So yeah, where can they find you? Do you want to be found?
No,
she's hidden.
All of this.
You don't have anything to plug.
Yeah, well.
If you want to plug it?
Yeah. On Yogi Bear, if you guys are interested in yoga, I suppose it's like more sort of creative yoga for everyone.
Yeah.
It's not like the namaste on a beach kind of yoga.
She's got some new products coming up, and I'm looking forward to them. The t-shirts. I'm 100% getting them.
Oh yeah.
When they come out, when those t-shirts come out.
More like skatery yoga kind of vibes. That's kind of
the artwork for it is so cool. I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you. And then I'm on What's Good Cat on Instagram.
Cat? What's good, Cat?
I don't know what's good.
What is good, Cat?
I don't know. What's good? Pomegranates. They're good.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that annoying stuff that we always tell you to do. If you don't know how we do things around here, I upload to the channel twice a week because twice is nice. Follow me on Instagram at ZaneShootsFilm. Check out my portfolio at ZaneReasons.com. And with all that said and done, keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Awesome.